How to fix Roblox premium not showing up. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Roblox premium not showing up, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're having the issue where you've been paying for the subscription over and over again, just cutting off your dollars from your card, but then the premium is basically just not loading up. For this, first of all, come to roblox.com. Make sure that it is the correct account where you have loaded up your premium, so make sure that it's the correct account. If it doesn't work, click the gear icon, try to log out and log in back again to see if that solves the problem, because sometimes when you log out and log in, only then the premium will show up. You can also try to refresh the page if that doesn't help you. If none of these solutions work, we have to contact Roblox support, and then only we will be able to figure out what is actually happening with our money. To do this, just click the gear icon over here and then just go to help. When you go to the help section, you'll see all sorts of information, but you want to scroll down and go to this option called contact us, as you can find from the bottom. When you click the contact us link, right away it says if you need further assistance, review the below information and fill out the support form. So here you can see the support form link. Make sure to click the support form option here. Once you're here, you can see it says contact information, so make sure to enter the username, enter your first name, enter the email address, and select what device are you having the problem on. Of course, whether it could be PC, Android, tablet, Amazon device, or whatever else. Select the type of help category, which in this case is billings and payments, because we're having issues with our payments. So just go ahead and select billing and payments, or you can also select purchases using Robux, or in this case I'll just select billing and payments. Now please select, it says, now here you can see free Robux, Robux purchase declined, purchase did not receive. So right over here what we want to do is we'll select purchase and did not receive, because of course we paid but then we didn't receive the membership, right? After you've done that, in the description of the issue you have to briefly describe now what kind of issues you're having. You can tell you've paid for the subscription, you keep paying over and over again, no matter whatever you do it doesn't load the membership. So what is it that it's just cutting off the money from your card but it's not actually loading the premium? Once you enter that, click the submit button. Roblox may likely reply to you, and most likely inside of your email address, so make sure to check your email thoroughly. Within 1 or 2 days they will get back to you with a positive solution. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.